let's learn about commas with items in a series. When you have 3 or more items in a sentence, you are going to want to separate each item with a comma. So let's look at this first sentence here. We have, I want a cat, a dog, and a fish. What do you want? You want a cat, a dog, and a fish. So we have 3 items here. We're going to separate each one with a comma. I want a cat, a dog, and a fish. A cat, comma, a dog, comma, and a fish, period. Let's look at this sentence. Please wash your hands, set the table, and sit down. Well, we need to wash our hands, set the table, and sit down. So we have 3 items here. So wash our hands, comma, set the table, comma, and sit down. All right, let's look at this next sentence. Please take off your hat and sit down. All right, please take off your hat and sit down. We don't have a third item, so we do not need a comma. Let's read this one. I want to be kind, cheerful, and honest. Kind, cheerful, and honest. Okay, comma and comma. Sarah has a frog and a dog. So we have frog and dog. We do not need a comma. My family is fun, nice, and big. We have fun, nice, and big. 1, 2, 3. We should climb a hill, swim in a pond, and pick some flowers. Notice here that we are doing more than just one word in this sentence. We have climb a hill, swim in a pond, and pick some flowers. So we have to think. We have to say, okay, climb a hill, comma, swim in a pond, comma, and pick some flowers. All right, we have here the clouds are white, big, and fluffy. We have white, big, and fluffy. So we need 2 commas. Now what happens if we had more than 3 items? Well, let's see. The clouds are white, big, fluffy, and beautiful. All we would do is add another comma. That's all we would do. If we have more than 3 items, we can have 4, we can have 5, we can have 6, we can have as many items as we need in our sentence. So we can write, I love flowers, candy, French fries, popcorn, and turtles. Period. All right? So I love flowers, candy, French fries, popcorn, and turtles. We have 5 items. We just put a comma after each item until we get to the and then we're done.